Okay, so for this area question, I think the easiest way to do it would be to use our 1/2 base times height formula. So 1/2 AB sine C. Or again, you could also do 1/2 base times height, totally fine. But the issue is we need either SAS or we need a base and a height. So let's figure out SAS so we can actually use kind of the trig formula. To do that, we're going to need, we do need this angle, right? 180 minus 32 minus 42. So we could do SAS with this angle, or we could do SAS with any of the other angles. It just kind of is going to determine what side we're going to find. So why don't we solve for this side? Okay, so we're going to solve for that using law of sines. So we have sine of 42 over x is equal to sine of 32 over 4. I'm going to cross multiply in our calculator. This is what we're going to type in. And we get that side is 5.05. And depending on how you round, like your answers will be slightly off. So just kind of keep that in mind. So now we do have SAS with this side, this included angle, and this side. So we can go ahead and plug into our area formula. So not highlighter. We can do area is 1/2 side sine of the included angle. And then when you type that in your calculator, you get that the area of this triangle is 9.71 square feet.